My number one goal when I was installing my wood pellet stove was to keep cost to a minimal. I was looking to do everything myself, and part of that job was making the hearth. Basically, the fireproof or resistant pad that the stove sits on. What I did, I got some cement board, 1/2 inch, and that ran me about $16. And I went with patio square 12 by 12 concrete stepstones, again in Home Depot. And my intention was to glue them to the cement board. And I didn't even do that, even though I bought the glue. Maybe I'll glue the front stones because that gets the most traffic, but the weight of the others are just fine the way they are. I didn't want to nail anything down to this wood floor. The wood is in good condition. I didn't want to glue anything, so I'm just relying on the weight of the unit and the weight of the stones to keep it in place, and so far, so good. The stones cost me $198 each, and I was out the door for around $40 to build this, and a little labor. I had to cut the foam board 4 by 3, and I needed 12 stones, and it fit the space. It's doing the job, and I'm happy with it. And that's my DIY low budget Hearth for wood burning stove.